Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag XAMPP tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure XAMPP. Then first we should know what is XAMPP. XAMPP is the abbreviation where X stands for cross-platform, means that it will install in the multiple platform, and A stands for Apache, Apache the web server, and M stands for MySQL, MySQL used for the databases and DB, and the P stand for PHP and Perl. So it is an open source package or a web solutions that include Apache distribution for many servers and command line executable along with the modules such as the Apache server, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. So first thing we are going to install the XAMPP. So first let me go through the download and let me download the XAMPP. So this is the path where we can download the XAMPP. So just copy the path, go to your browser. So XAMPP is the easy and install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl, and just download and start the installer. It's that easy. So we have this is the latest version we have. So we can download this is a download for the 64-bit Windows system, and this is for the PHP 8.0, PHP 8.1. As per your requirement, you can download, and there is other downloads also. If you are using in Linux, then you can the Linux downloaders are there, and if you are using through the Apple OS, so there these are the downloads. So I'm going to download to the for the Windows. We are testing for the Windows, so I already downloaded. If you click on that, you will be able to download. So this is my downloadable file, and this is exe file. Let me just install this file. So right click on that, run as administrator. So one pop-up will come, installer file will come. So this will for the warning message for the user account control. So click on yes. Welcome to XAMPP setup. Click on next. Here, whatever the components you want to install, you can check or uncheck. There is option MySQL, Tomcat, Perl, PHP already there, Apache already there, PHP MyAdmin, and fake email if you want to test the emails. So you can install these things as per your requirement. You check all the things and go to the next. Give a path. I'm giving the path for the my drive where I want to install the XAMPP. So this is the path for the installer. You can browse path from the clicking here also. This is installation folder. So click on next. Setup now ready being installed. So click on next. It will take some seconds, some minutes to install. Now see, our installation is completed. So this is asking, do you want to start the control panel? So this is the XAMPP control panel. So I want to start the control panel. Click on finish. So this is my XAMPP control panel. Here we have a Apache, MySQL, FileZilla for the FTP, and Mercury is there, Tomcat is there, and there is options to start the Apache MySQL, and we have some error, just like a problem detected, port 80 is not available for that, so I have to configure the port. Instead of port 80, I have to configure another port, and there's a 443 used by the to open process, so I have to use the another SSL port for that. So let's try to start. It will give you the error, see, error, and stop that one. So status change directed to stop, and MySQL also. Let's start. So MySQL is started because MySQL only one MySQL is running here, 3306. If that is you are getting any error with the port number, then you can change the port of the MySQL, or if you want to change stop the another MySQL, then you stop that, and then it will run. Okay. So for the Apache, let's stop that. For the Apache, I'm going to configure that one. So go to the configuration. There is a configurations file are there, and there is a configuration files locations are there. So I want to use for the for the HTTP first. So in this page, let me check where is the 80 port. This listening port is 80. So I'm this port I'm changing to 81 or 90 as per your requirement. You can change it. So Control plus S. So page is saved. Then second is we are getting error with the SSL also. So 443 port. So I am going to open the httpd-ssl file. http.ssl file. In this file, I have to check the 443, and I am going to this one into 444 for that. Okay. Control S. Then let me start. So it started with the 81 port and 444 port, and I am going to start the MySQL also. So both are started. So this is status is running, status is running, MySQL and Apache status is running now. So now I'm going to access the my default page. So open localhost colon 81. Okay. So then this is the my XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. So welcome to XAMPP Windows 7.3.11. Here you can get the PHP info. So what is the PHP version I am running here? Version I am running here 7.3.11. And what is the path? It will give you the path and everything. Where is this is my loaded configuration file, PHP and file. When we will going to change the configuration, we will just change to the path of the file. This file changes we will do php.ini, and like that you can check all the parameters, or the configuration parameters are over here. Next, I want to use the uh, uh, database. So how to access the database? So there is a PHP my admin. So 81 port / PHP my admin, you will click, you will get the database. So this is my database. Here we can create the database, and if you want to insert the data, insert, update, delete, whatever the things you want to do, you can do it with the database in this part. So PHP my admin is a GUI for the MySQL database. Thank you for watching.